Hello, Skin Games. We are here for week 7. So we may have a little bit of grieving going on because both of us are going to miss each other and being able to see each other every week. However, I'm thankful that she came back this week because last week we did Spicule and we may not have been friends during the recovery stage. But this week I'm lovingly calling it Sorry I Beat You Up. So this week we're just going to be focusing on infusion. We are not doing anything aggressive. We're not doing anything to really cause a bunch of cell turnover. We're trying to calm any residual inflammation, make sure that any flaking, anything like that gets the proper support to help that happen naturally. We want to support the natural desquamation, so we are not using any glycolics, lactics, PHAs, any acids in today's treatment. For today, we're going to be doing Ultrafusion. This uses a 10 hertz, so it uses sound and vibrational therapy to help push serums into almost the dermal region. So we'll be doing the Brightening serum. This Brightening serum isn't just a brightening serum. So this has Glutathione, Tranexamic Acid, Licorice Root, and White Mulberry. So these are all going to work on preventing pigmentation as well as brightening her existing pigmentation. We also are going to be using ingredients such as like Bisabolol, Allantoin, and Lactobacillus Ferment to help more with the hydration, more of the skin soothing, and basically working as like a probiotic for the skin so we can make sure that that microbiome is popped back after doing the spicule. After we do LED, we will be adding on our Glow Row PDRN. So this is going to give us those wonderful healing benefits from the PDRN and the Tocopherol, and then combining that with hyaluronic acid. And then she does also get the support of hydrolyzed collagen. Suki has had multiple people comment that her skin is looking more refreshed and bright, so I'm excited to see the final results next week.